Okay, here's my Pixie transceiver that was built in the DIY radio group. It's it right there, and I have it hooked up right now to a 40-meter loop antenna, and we're going to connect the battery, and it's going to be playing the sound through a amplified speaker here. Listen to what you hear when I connect the battery.
Chief Inspector Carl Holmes used his position to insulate himself against allegations, which resulted in internal affairs investigations against.
So the receiver is just being overloaded with local broadcast, AM broadcast. So really can't do any reception on 80 meters. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and just show you the power output when I do the key down on this.
Mike Pompeo says suspending flights.
And you can see the meter is reading completely up to 100 milliwatts. It's on the 100 milliwatts.
At the flights will not be affected. Private planes and cruise ships were already banned back in June. Brian Shook, NBC News Radio.
I'm just disconnecting the speaker because it's doing a lot of distraction there. But in the meantime, I do have the web receiver on there. I'm going to turn this light off so we can see a little clearer. There. You can see where I have the, this is the web receiver over in Point Reyes. And it's on the frequency here, 3579. And I'll turn up the speaker. And we'll do a key down here. That's a transmission being heard over there. Okay, so it is getting out at least to Point Reyes, but the receive is not working at all. I can't. It's useless. Straight off the antenna, so we're going to have to put some kind of filtering in there to eliminate the broadcast interference. And now I have the Pixie transceiver connected through a broadcast bandstop filter, and don't hear any of the broadcast interference coming through the speaker anymore. There's nobody on frequency right now, but we'll go ahead and send out do a little transmission here, and we'll monitor it on the webSDR. You see right there, it's a webSDR. There again, it's putting out right now about 90 milliwatts. Forward power reflected is down to 0.